Hi all. Today we are going to discuss about if condition in Power BI. So in our previous session we have discussed about how to create a logic, right? How to write a condition. So and or not condition and all we have discussed. And now we are going to discuss about if condition. So in previous class we have discussed about conditions and will provide we can able to apply two logic and it will provide only true or false. If you are even applying normal condition, it will provide true or false. Like that we have discussed, right? Here in if condition, we have some syntax, right? We have to follow this syntax. First, if of, you have to write a condition. First, you have to write a condition, and then next, instead of true, you can give the answer true result. So if the condition is true, then what is your result? And if the condition is false, then what is your result? Likewise, instead of providing true or false, I can able to fix the result. So in our previous session, if I'm applying some condition, it will check whether it is true or false. But in this if condition, instead of true, I can able to place some result. So whatever you want as a result value, then you can able to give in if condition. So how should I implement this condition? So for example, let's move on to Power BI. I'm going to create one column. I'm just editing that formula. Now I'm going to apply if condition, if of. Okay, see here the syntax shows logical test, result true, result false. So first you have to write a condition. If the condition is true, what do you want as a result? True. So for example, I'm going to give sales greater than or equal to 5,000. So if my condition satisfied, I want to print target achieved. If my condition is not satisfied, I can give target not achieved. Okay, this is called a simple if condition. So we used only one if condition, so that's why it is called a simple if condition. And so then what happened? If my sales value is below 5,000, then it will provide target is not achieved. If my target, if my sales value is more than 5,000, then the target is achieved. It will filter out like this. So then based on this logic, you can apply some graph also. For example, I can go to visual. I'll create some of the graph. Then I can able to show the logic column and sales column. Then what happened? It will list out how many people's are target achieved, how many here sum of sales I have shown. Instead of sum of sale, you can give some city. It will show the count how many orders, order number you can give whatever you want. You can how many sales rep, maybe you can give like this, how many orders we have completed. So this target not achieved is 283. Sales reps are target not achieved. This is not the unique one. Based on the orders below 5,000 sales value, there are 283 people. And similarly, more than 5,000, 144 orders are there. Okay. Likewise, I can able to show when I'm projecting something. Okay. So this is simple if condition. But if you go to sales, directly I can't able to fix it. Okay, you are a performer, you are not performer, like that. Why? Because some people may be near to their target, some people they may be back to the target. So I can't able to fix this person is completely poor performer, target not achieved person. Not like that, right? So I have to filter out. Then how should I filter out? So here I can able to use multiple if conditions. How should I use? So if you want, you can add multiple if conditions. So for example, erase all those things. So first I'm going to write if of, I'm going to give logical test, sales greater than or equal to 5,000, comma, the result value is true. It means positive result. So target achieved. Okay. Then instead of false area, I'm going to write one more if condition, if of. Okay. Here again, I can able to apply the logic. So already I have given more than 5,000 target achieved. Now I'm giving if the sales greater than 4,000, it means, so already greater than 5,000, they will come in this category. If it is not achieved, then they will check like whether it is below, whether it is greater than 4,000 or not. If the greater than 4,000, then near to the target, near to the target. Or otherwise, if you are not even crossing the 4,000, then target very rare to achieve. Likewise, I can give something close. Instead of false area, I am applying one more if condition, and I'm closing the first if condition as well. So close. Then enter. Then what happen? It will filter out. So more than 5,000. So below 4,000, it will show very rare, and 6,000 target achieved, and 4,100 it is showing near to the target. So likewise, we can able to segregate. If you want to segregate more, again you can apply one more formula in false area. Not only false area, in true area also, if you want to add, you can add. Okay, it is based on your decision only. So wherever you want, you can add. So now if I want to add one more if condition, then instead of very rare, I can give one more if condition. So I'm checking again my sales value below 3,000, greater than or equal to 3,000. Then little back to the target, and or otherwise very back, very poor. Likewise, I can give. So I'll close everything, enter. Then what happened? We have divided now. More than 5,000 target achieved, more than 4,000 near to the target, more than 3,000 back to the target, and very poor. So likewise, we have filter out. Based on that, it is providing the result. So if I'm sorting this, maybe I'll sort the sales value, then you'll understand. So, so these are all below 3,000. Below 3,000, it will show very poor. So 3,000. Once they are crossed 3,000, 3 to 4,000 back to the target. So back to the target, and 4,000 to 5,000 near to the target, and more than 5,000 target achieved. Likewise, it will filter out, and you can able to display the different categories. Okay. Already I have selected the logic column. Same column I have changed the formula. So it was splitted. Now I can able to easily find out who are all near to the target, who are all I want to focus little bit, overall I want to focus more, that and all I can able to easily find out when you are segregating like this. Okay. Okay, done. So next formula is if error. So if error is nothing but if any formula error occur, you can replace a without formula error. For example, so any formula, you can write any formula if error of, so you can write any formula. After that, what is the value you want as a result? The syntax should be like that. So far we don't have any formula error. Maybe I'll show you in Excel how it will be. So for example, so this is text, okay, this is number. So I'm trying to add these things, these two, for example, enter. So sometimes the value error will come, sometimes hash NA will come. So if you are wrongly mapping, hash NA will come, some any sort of error. So it should be like this, right? So if I want to avoid this error, I can use the if error formula. Same formula, same formula in front. I'm adding if error, open bracket. I'm adding that formula and comma. So what do you want as a result? Not applicable or zero. Instead of providing error, I'll just informing to add zero. So then what happened? So if error. Okay. So if error and then formula, and as if any error occur, then it will consider as zero. Okay. NA. Maybe I'll check once. Value error. So same in front, I'm adding like if error. So it is taking as a separate category. Maybe I'll segregate this formula one area and comma. If any value error is there, then you can print anything like NA, close, enter. So it will print NA, not applicable. So before I didn't segregate, so that's why it is not considered. So now it is considered. So, but if it is in correct format, then there is no error. It will add together and it will provide the result. When you are typing something wrong, that time it will provide as not applicable. So the same formula we can use in Power BI also. So far I don't have any formula error in this. So if you want to add formula error, then in front of this particular if condition, if error, open bracket. Similarly, the formula, I'm starting from here and ending from here, comma, value error. If any error occur, you can paste it as NA, close, then enter. So it will work properly. If any error occur, then automatically it will throw NA, not applicable. Okay. So these are all functions comes under logical functions. Thanks for watching.